Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Browser. Today we're going to be showing you how to draw a quick caricature. We're going to start with the bottom half of our face, which is kind of like a cup shape. Then we're going to go ahead and draw our ear shape here. We're going to draw our other ear shape on the other side, along with the earrings, different ornaments, or whatever that you want to put on there. I'm noticing here that she has two on one ear, so I'll just go ahead and put that in. And then I'll go ahead and finish out the inner workings of the ear like so. And once I finish, I'm going to add a little neck here for big head, little body, and I'm going to add a little necklace. If you'll notice with all of my ornaments on this picture, I use suggestion. In other words, I don't need to detail out what kind of necklace it is and the specific earrings that she has. Remember to not be so literal in your cartoons, because if you're too literal, excuse me, then your cartoon comes across like a portrait, and then, well, that's kind of defeating the purpose of drawing a caricature. All right, so now we're going into our hair shape. Again, our hair shape is going to be like in every other video that you've seen of mine. I like to use overall shapes. When I finish with the drawing, I want it to look like something that anyone can accomplish. You get what I mean? I'm not trying to show you like how cool I can draw, but rather I want you to walk away feeling like, hey, you know what? I did a pretty good job on this caricature. So I want to keep all the shapes super basic, super simple. So we're doing the eyebrow shapes here. She does have pretty bushy eyebrows to me, very strong eyebrows anyway. So I'm gonna make sure I get that in there. And now let's go to the eyes. The eyes are where I had like a lot of thought going through my head at this point, because I was very particular about which lines I made dominant and which ones I did not. My line over the very top of the eyelash line, I want to make very dark here, and I want to make my pupils very round, but I also want the pupil to be very, very, very defined in this eye. In other words, I want that to stand out the most in her eye. If you look at that picture, because she has that very light color eye, those dark pupils are really something that you want to get into this caricature. And then from there, you just kind of finish out the shape of the eye. Uh, One thing about eyes, another thing I wanted to point out to you was that when you do draw eyes, there is no like one approach fits all way to drawing eyes, or to drawing any feature for that matter. It really is about truly what stands out to you the most about each particular feature for yourself, and then you would draw it according to how you have perceived them. All right, so we're just kind of finishing up the inner workings of the face. I think I'm pretty pleased with the balance of the face. We got some nice lighting in the eyes. The lips look good. The eyes look good. The eyebrows look good. So we're going to go ahead and fill in our eyebrows here and make them a little bit darker so we can really see that likeness coming out here. And now what I'm going to do next is I want to begin to just kind of detail the hair in just a little bit more. And this is just to give the hair a little bit of contour or depth. You know, you want it to look like three-dimensional. So you draw those shapes first. Let me put this out there for you real quick. Think 2D first, 3D last. 2D first, 3D last. Okay? Now, the next thing that we're going to do is shadow. This is where I bring the drawing home. I'm going to hit the home run by adding some shadows into my drawing. If you are using color, this is really easy to do in color as well. I'll actually be putting up some color caricature videos this year. I hadn't done a lot of those. I've done a few, but not a whole bunch of them. But I'm going to go more in depth about that. I found some interesting ways to kind of be able to teach you guys about using color. So that'll be coming up soon. Just stay tuned. So anyway, just going around shading our drawing, using this to create contour in the face, because the face is not a flat object; it's a three-dimensional object. So again, remember I went 2D and then 3D. You know what I'm saying? You understand me? All right. So let's see here. Now we're going to just finish up with our hair. Okay, and that is going to be accomplished with a black crayon. Okay, so if you have a black crayon, you can do this pretty easily. Just go ahead and I'm going to use a block shade, so this is not going to take long. Basically what I do is I color the beginning and the end of the shape in opposing motions to make the hair look like I did a whole lot, but I really didn't. So as you see the hair come toward you, it's almost magical, but it's no magic here. I don't know any magic. But it makes it quick, especially if you got a long line. People, need to get their caricature drawn. You're missing out on all that money because you're trying to do too many details. Stop trying to do all the details. Nobody cares. Okay, so we're just finishing up our darks on the bottom of the drawing, and we're going to go ahead and finally outline the eyelashes. That's that finishing touch right there. So anyway, that is the end of our drawing. I want to thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to also share with your fellow caricaturists. At the end here, I just want to put her name. I believe her name is Sadie Sink. I want to say she's from the what's the name of that series they have with the Dangerous Things or Stranger Things? Yeah, Stranger Things. I think that's where she's from, but she's grown up now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Have a blessed and awesome day, and I will see you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.